In the heartbeat town of Live, Play.
Speedster jumped up super fast. Today was the great rainbow race. Speedster loved racing more than anything.
Bubbles rolled out next. Bubbles was so happy making friends and pretty bubbles.
Then Rocky the Monster Truck woke up. Rocky looked super tough with those big giant wheels.
Hey friends! Are we racing today? Zippy is so ready. Zippy drove people around the city. Sunny drove up next, very slowly and peacefully. Sunny didn't hurry.
Professor drove up with lots of inventions. Professor said, Professor calculated all the mathematical probabilities. Professor brought rocket boosters and spring jumpers.
Suddenly, magical rainbow appeared in colorful sparkles.
All 7 friends lined up at the starting line. Speedster was in front, revving loudly. Bubbles was bouncing excitedly.
Rainbow floated up and said, "Listen carefully, friends. This race goes across Rainbow's magical rainbow bridge into the..."
Speedster felt super confident. Speedster thought, this race will be so easy. Speedster is the fastest. Speedster will zoom past everyone.
3, 2, 1, go! The race started. All 7 cars zoomed forward super fast. Speedster shot ahead of me.
The cars drove onto the Rainbow's magical bridge. The bridge went up, up, up into the sky.
The first challenge station appeared. Station 1, the speed trap. This challenge tests if speed is everything. Speedster zoomed in super fast. Speedster didn't look at the warning signs. Speedster just wanted to go faster and faster.
Oh no! The track changed. It was a trap. Speedster was going way too fast. Speedster couldn't slow down. Bubbles was going slowly and carefully. Bubbles saw Speedster stuck in the goo. Oh no! Bubbles had a special power. Bubbles could make special soap bubbles. The bubbles shot bubbles at the goo. That's what friends are for. Thank you. Thank you.
Rocky arrived next. Rocky looked at the course and said, oh no! Rocky is too big.
Speedster will help. Speedster is small and fast. Rocky is big and strong. If we work together, we can pass this challenge.
Really? Rocky would like that.
Speedster will race through the course super fast and find the secret exit button. Then Speeds will press it so Rocky can take the big path around the obstacles.
They did it!
Speedster raced through the narrow course super fast. Speedster found the secret button and pressed it. The mountain path opened.
This is the kindness bridge. The bridge is broken with missing pieces. Show kindness to each other. Zippy knows shortcuts. Zippy will just jump.
But whoops, the gap was too big. Zippy fell through.
Sunny saw that Professor looked tired. Professor's battery was low. Sunny said,
Professor can have some of Sunny.
Wow.
a piece of the bridge magically appeared. The bridge was fixing itself. Rainbow said. Bubbles said to Rocky, Rocky is so strong and brave. Rocky has such a big, kind heart. Rocky always...
Kindness means thinking about others' feelings and helping without expecting rewards.
Thank you, Professor.
Learning together is an act of kindness, too.
Speedster wants to say sorry to everyone. Speedster was wrong. Speedster needs all these friends.
Speedster is forgiven. Rocky is proud of Speedster.
All 7 friends crossed the kindness bridge together. They didn't race. They drove side by side as a team. Station 3 appeared. In the center are 7 magic orbs. Each orb contains a special gift. Speedster saw an orb labeled Super Speed. Speedster wanted it. Bubbles saw prettiest paint ever. Sunny stepped forward. Sunny could take unlimited fuel for Sunny alone, but Sunny chose shared energy instead. Professor saw secret inventions. Professor could have all the smart ideas, but Professor chose teaching wisdom. Everyone should be strong.
Bubbles feels stronger now.
Rocky wanted those big wheels so much. Rocky loved being strong. Zippy loved speed. Zippy wanted that fastest speed orb, but Zippy stopped. Zippy chose patient heart. Bubbles wanted to be the prettiest car ever, but Bubbles said, no. Bubbles wants everyone to be happy. Now Speedster had to choose champion trophy or friendship forever. Rainbow glowed so bright. Rainbow said, "Rainbow is the spirit of friendship."
Rainbow gave each friend a special friendship medallion. Speedsters said humility and teamwork. The finish line appeared, but it was different. It said, cross together or not at all. Rainbow said,
3, 2, 1, go!
all 7 friends counted together. They launched forward as one, not racing each other, racing together. They did it! All 7 friends crossed together. Not one car was ahead. Not one car was behind.
This trophy had 7 sides, one for each friend. Rainbow said, "This trophy..."
At the start, Speedster was so cocky. Speedster only cared about winning. But Speedster's friends taught Speedster that friendship is...
Life is not a race against others. Life is a journey with others. Being kind. The 7 friends drove home together on the Rainbow Bridge. They weren't racing, they were enjoying being together. Everyone in Motorville was waiting for them. The whole town cheered. Little cars said, "Tell us about the race. Tell us what happened."
The friends taught the young cars.
Being fast is nice, but having friends is better.
Always be kind.
The mayor said, let's have a friendship festival every year to remember these lessons. Everyone loved this idea. The whole town worked together. Big trucks lifted heavy things. Small cars painted details. Fast.
Festival day arrived. Motorville looks so beautiful with rainbow. 2 cars were tied together. They had to work as a team. First, they struggled, pulling different ways. Speedster said, "Talk to each other, decide together." In the food area, Sunny taught sharing. Sunny said, "Don't just eat your own food. Share with friends. Try new things." Bubbles taught kindness at the craft station. Bubbles said, "Make something special for a friend." Cars made... Zippy had learned patience. Zippy taught other fast cars to slow down. Zippy said,
Professor had Wisdom Corner. Professor read stories about famous friends from history. Professor taught that all great achievement...
Rocky taught that strength is for helping. Rocky helped hang decorations. Rocky...
The 7 friends performed their story on stage. They acted out the great rainbow race. Then everyone sang together the friendship song. Friends help friends when they are down.
Suddenly, Rainbow appeared above the festival. Everyone gasped. Rainbow came...
Rainbow gave Motorville a special gift. Rainbow created a permanent rainbow arch over the town.
As night came, fireworks started. Beautiful colors filled the sky.
The festival ended, but friendship didn't. Everyone helped clean up. No one left the work to others.
As night came, everyone drove home. Cars said goodnight to neighbors. Speedster looked at Speedster's old trophies. Speedster remembered when those trophies were everything. Speedster thought winning alone was... Speedster's Grand Prix. A glowing car appeared. It was Speedster, but older. Young Speedster asked, "What happened?" Future Speedster showed young Speedster something amazing. When Speedster teaches friendship, those cars teach others. Rainbow appeared in the dream. Rainbow said, "Speedster learned well, but Rainbow has one more." Speedster woke up. The dream felt so real. Speedster felt different, even more loving and... The 7 friends met every morning now. This was their special friend time.
The friends wanted to do something nice for Motorville. Professor had an idea. Build a playground for young cars. The 7 friends built the playground together. Rocky lifted heavy things. Speedster worked fast.
The playground opened. Young cars were so excited. They played on the swings. They went down the...
Cars from other towns heard about Motorville's friendship. They came to visit. They wanted to learn these lessons too. 1 year had passed since the Great Rainbow Race. The second Friendship Festival was huge. 5 towns came together to choose friendship, choose kindness, choose love. It will change your life.
How does a car become a good friend? Young car wants to be a good friend like you.
That's the best question ever. Let us teach you. Be humble. Listen to others. Be kind. Do nice things. Use your strength to help.
The young cars had a great idea. They said, let's make a friendship club. They designed a special badge, a rainbow.
The Friendship Club had their first meeting. 20 young cars joined a teamwork game.
A new race car came to town. The new car was just like old Speedster, cocky and mean. The new car said, Speedster!
Speedster said gently, Speedster understands you. Speedster used to be exactly like you, always trying to prove The new car met all 7 friends. Each one was so nice. Bubbles offered.
New car acts tough because new car is lonely. New car has no friends.
New car doesn't know how to make friends.
Rainbow appeared.
Rainbow watched everything.
The 8 friends taught the new car everything. It took time. The new car had to unlearn bad habits.
One day, the new car saw someone struggling. The old new car would have ignored them.
Speedster watched the new car helping others. Speedster remarky and like that remembered how...
Look at Motorville now. Everywhere you looked, cars were being kind, helping each other. A very important car arrived. The mayor of the entire car nation. The mayor said, Mayor, come home. The mayor said, Motorville is now the friendship capital of our nation. Will the 8 of you travel the nation, teach other towns about friendship?
The nation needs these lessons. They said yeah. The 8 friends prepared for their journey. Motorville threw a party. Everyone was sad to...
The 8 friends began their journey. Rainbow appeared. Rainbow said,
The 8 friends traveled everywhere. Desert towns, mountain towns, beach towns. They taught thousands and thousands. And you know what? A new race car arrived in Motorville.
acting cocky.
Just like Speedster used to.